Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charles Peace. In today's video, we'll be making a beautiful umbrella flay. In making this beautiful dress, we need the length, the shoulder measurement, and the waistline. It's just three things that we need: the length, the shoulder measurement, and the waist measurement. It's a free dress. Now the first thing we'll do, the shoulder measurement I need is 9 inches. So 9 divided by 2 will give me 4.5 inches. Then plus the sewing allowance, making it 5. So I'll trace my 5 inches like this. Firstly, I'll fold as the name umbrella shape, I'll fold my fabric as if it's a funnel. You can see that this is a funnel shape. Then I'll locate 5 inches where it is from this funnel. Okay, we are having 5 inches here. So I'll put a straight line. Now, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I publish another video. Okay, this 5 inches. Now, from this is the radius, which I use the shoulder measurement. Now, the length of the dress is 16 inches, but I'll add extra 2 inches for the seam allowance and for the up and the hemline, which is the down part. So making it 18 inches. So from this point, I will trace 18 inches round to get a circular shape. Okay, we are having 18 inches here. Now, the armhole is 4.5 as well. This is 4.5 for the armhole. Remember, I used 5 inches here, so I'm going to measure 5 inches as well here. So the measurement I need only is the shoulder and the length of the dress, because it's a very free dress. You don't need a bodycon measurement. Now, we have measured our shoulder, the armhole, which is 4.5. I will also mark the 5 inches from the shoulder here and put 1 inch to curve it for the armhole. And see the curve. Then the waist measurement, I need only the waist measurement, which is 20 inches divided by 4 will give me 5. Then I'll add extra 2 inches allowance, making it 7. So this is 7 inches here. I will measure 7 inches. Here. From these 7 inches, then I will take it down to this point. can see that this is the armhole, this is the waistline. It's 8 inches here for the waistline. Then from the waistline here, I curve it straight to this point. Now I'll cut it first before I now cut and now put the neckline, because I want the front and the back piece to be the same. This is the front and the back piece. You can see it. Now I will cut the neck line for both of them. So I'll place 2 of them together to cut. Remember, I'm having 5 inches here. So I will measure out 2 inches. These 2 inches, the length will be 2 inches as well. So both of them are having the same neck measurement. So I'll cut it out. Now what I'm having here now left is almost 3 inches we are having here. So now I'll remove, for the shoulder slant, I'll remove 1/2 inch because I'm making it for a younger person, a baby rather. So I'll just slant it by 1/2 inch. Okay, so by the time I open it, this is what I'm having. can see. Now for easy wearing, you can decide to put a zipper or you make an opening. Make a small opening so that by the time you are putting it on, it will be very easy, not to be too tight. So for me, I will open it a bit, like 2 inches. This is 2 inches. That is from the middle. You have to remove one. Remember, when you are cutting it, you can decide whether to be to the front or to the back piece. Whether you want it at the front or at the back piece, everything is, it depends on how you want it. It's all good. So I'll open it on by 2 inches. So you can see it's open. So guys, we are done with the cutting. This is how it looks. After sewing it, it looks as if it's a full circle. It's very beautiful. But the first thing is to, if you are using a lining, you have to turn it. If you're not using a line, if you're using a bias tape or want to use a turnover, you can decide to use the same material or any other fabric that you can combine, any other color from the design, which you can use to turn it. You can decide to do it that way. Anyhow you want to do it is okay. But when you are sewing it, always be conscious of this part. You have to sew it neatly. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up. Any question on this or any style you want us to make for you, can drop your comments at the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I publish another video. Bye until I see you again in my next video.